Hello everyone, I wanted to make a quick update on my Halo helmet, 3D printed Halo helmet progress. So this is the helmet. I managed to print out all of the pieces provided in the STL. It still needs some additional work, of course. First of all, the padding. There's no padding there. I'll use EVA foam and hot glue for that. Second, I will make some LED lights in here. I could put an Arduino, maybe somewhere here in the back, because there's like this area here, like route a couple of LEDs to here. As for gluing parts together, this was not printed in one part, this was printed in the least amount of parts I could fit for Ender 3 V2. So it was printed in 5 parts. So this back area, it's been like cut like this. And then this helmet, here and a half, and there's a seam around here. I glued it together using super glue, and to make sure the super glue hardened, I ran it over water, because apparently super glue hardens when it comes in contact with water, moisture. It makes it hard very quickly. So yeah, the whole helmet was printed using 0.1 millimeter layer heights. So it's quite detailed. In some areas I was not able to fully remove the support, as in this back area, but it's minimal, and I think I can get it out by sanding it, and of course using some paint. But yeah, as for the fit, well, I think it's quite good. Not the greatest, but definitely not the worst. So there you go. See ya.